Okay, guys, gonna try to do this by hand. This is the largest set of colored pencils I have bought, and it's the 240 set of Color colored pencils. Now, I'm gonna have fun swatching all these. I'm doing this one-handed because somebody ruined my clamp. Just hang on, bear with me a minute. Bear with me just a second. Oh. Sorry about that. Upside down. So, and I'm knocking everything in the floor. So this is the top of it. Sorry about the glare, but it is what it is. Can't do anything about it. So, that made it worse. So, here it is. I will take them out, of here as soon as I get my new things. She broke the tightener off and the spring. See, it just it won't hold my phone up because it won't clamp. So that's coming Friday, and I will be doing well, I'm gonna have fun swatching these out. Let me see if I can. There. Now, I do have a 72 set of coolers, and I love them. So, I can't wait to see what all colors are in here. So, okay, guys. I'm gonna tell y'all I love you. And until Friday, peace out. Bye.